Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a creamy veg sandwich but without any mayonnaise. It is very light and also a great option for kids' lunchbox. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Thanks a lot for watching guys. A detailed step-by-step recipe with important tips and tricks is available on my blog, so do check it out. I will link it down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time with another soulful recipe. Till then, take care, stay healthy and keep cooking.